Facebook, YouTube, Google, everybody online. Happy Thursday. We're in Glen Carbon, Illinois. We're doing a client that responded to one of our ads on Living Local and came out a couple weeks ago, did an estimate, booked on the spot. We're doing a clean and buff, which is right there. And they are excited. Let me show you what we're doing. They got a lot of residue buildup on here. So what we're going to be doing is getting all the residue buildup removed. And once we get the residue buildup removed, then we'll be able to pop the original sheen, making the surface tension tighter and kind of reflecting the wood that needs to be done. So this is a pre-finished floor. As you can see, you just see all that residue buildup right there. And that's just, over-the-counter products. I'm educating them, I'm teaching them. And she's excited. You can just see, I was telling Joyce, see all that, guys? That's residue buildup. So over-the-counter cleaners, they have film they leave on there over time, and that leaves all the smudginess. See that, guys? So I told Miss Joyce she needs a clean and buff, and to get her floors back to the original stage. You can just see how it's hazy, smudgy, things like that. And once we get the clean and buffed and neutralized, then these floors will be back to the original state. And I'm gonna do some small color correction here for good measure. And she can enjoy these floors. So if you guys have this issue, you see the smudges and smears, give AO a call. We got you covered. Before your floor, let us restore it. And you'll be thankful and grateful that you did. So especially right here, guys, I'll zoom in. This is a good angle. You can see that smudginess right there, guys. See that right there? Yep, so we're gonna get that back. We're gonna get that first and foremost removed and then neutralized and back to the original condition. So that's what we're doing for her in beautiful Glen Carbon, Illinois. And she's excited, I'm excited for her. And then she can enjoy these beautiful hardwoods for many years to come. So that's what we're doing. Hope you guys have a blessed day. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys, you can see we're buffing this out now. Getting it back to the original state, neutralizing the floor, getting rid of those topical cleaners that's on there. And I did tell Miss Joyce I'm gonna give her one of my AO wood floor neutral cleaner on the house, because anytime someone does a service with me for hardwood or sometimes even tile, I'll just give it to them. $15 value. We also sell by the gallon too, that they can also purchase, which is another added benefit. But yeah, guys, if you use my cleaner, not only does it neutralize the floor and it has no residue properties, but also it has some alcohol-based properties in it, so it flashes off fast and sanitizes as well. So you guys are local and want to utilize my floor cleaner, you'd be grateful that you did, because it's going to help keep your floors neutral, clean, and sanitary. All right, guys, I'm going to finish up clean buffing. You can just see how uniform those floors are. That residue is gone, no buildup, and then pop the sheen, making that surface tension tighter. All right, guys, stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, look how beautiful that floor is. No more residue, no more streaks. Pop the original sheen, because this floor has a little oxide on it, and this floor looks gorgeous. Let me show you the soil load removal. Look at this, guys. Wow. That's why you need this service. We can make your floors look like that. Walk out immediately, and all is well. All right, guys, you can see I've already did that. I've already did over there. This floor's looking good, guys. Little clean and buff. Get it back to the original condition. This works on engineered, any kind of pre-finished, luxury vinyl, laminate, solid hardwood, LVT, anything that you have in terms of sealed or pre-finished, we got you covered. Mopping alone does not get the embedded dirt bonded to your surface. That's where we come in. All right, guys, stay tuned. Doing a deep scrub on the foyer. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got done Ms. Joyce is excited about her hardwood floors. You can just see all those streaks are gone. Got it back to the original state. No more smudges, no more grime, no more filth. And this is just a beautiful floor. Clean and buff is all she needed, and she's excited, guys. Did a little color correction over here for her on the house, and she's excited. So whenever she decides to sell it, she is good to go. So if you guys remember how soiled and how much streakiness was through here because all those over-the-counter cleaners, guys, she's blown away. And so am I. All right, guys, that's going to do it. If you need a search, reach out to us, AOCleaning.com. And as always, thanks for watching, and stay clean. Hey, guys, right here with my client Joyce. We're in Glen Carbon, Illinois. We took care of her floors today, got them cleaned and buffed. And, guys, she is ecstatic. So she wants to leave me a testimonial of her overall experience with our company. Without further ado, Joyce, take it away.
Okay, yeah, my name is Joyce, and Ryan's just finished my floors, my wood floors, and let me tell you, everybody, they look good. They really look good. I got referred to him from the flyer that was in some literature that I got through the post office, and I didn't know that this kind of company existed. So just take my word and contact him and get your floors together.
Thank you so much, Miss Joyce, and enjoy your beautiful floors.